Hi, I'm Karen Wetzel, and I'm a WSET Level 2 instructor here at the Napa Valley Wine Academy. I'm very excited to tell you all about our WSET Level 2 Award in Wine course. It's designed to help you start or continue your wine journey. The Wine and Spirits Education Trust, also known as the WSET, is known around the world for its best-in-class wine and spirits and sake education programs. Each course is designed to inspire and empower both industry professionals and wine enthusiasts alike. WSET is globally recognized as the international standard for wine and spirits knowledge. We're proud to say that more students have trusted us with their WSET certification than any other provider in the world outside of London headquarters. Because of this, we have been awarded the prestigious WSET Global Educator of the Year Award in 2016 and again in 2019. And that makes us the only WSET provider to have ever won this award twice. This is a beginner to intermediate course for students who have a basic wine knowledge and want to further explore a wide range of wines. At the Napa Valley Wine Academy, we offer Level 2 as a 5-week self-paced course that blends the online learning environment with live webinars and interactive activities. And what would a wine course be without wine tasting? We know that tasting is an important part of any wine course, and that's why we were one of the first wine schools to include wine kits with our WSET Level 2 course to make it easy and convenient for you to taste, explore, and learn. In this course, you'll learn how wine goes from grapes to glass. You'll discover how the vine and the vineyard environment and the grapes themselves impact the style of different wines. You'll learn about the winemaking process and how each decision that the winemaker makes impacts the style of their wines. We'll cover 30 of the most important grape varieties as well as the type and style of the wines they produce. And you'll learn about some of the most important wine regions around the world. We'll demonstrate the production process for sparkling, sweet, and fortified wines. And we'll explain key labeling terms that will help you identify the origin, style, and quality of the wine that's in the bottle. To help you learn how to evaluate and describe wine, we'll give you the tools, knowledge, and vocabulary you need using WSET's signature systematic approach to tasting system. We'll also teach you practical skills for ideal wine storage and the correct service of wine. Lastly, we'll talk about my favorite subject, serving wine with food. We'll teach you the principles of pairing wine with food in a way that makes it easy to apply to your everyday life. During the course, you'll find many additional interactive, engaging exercises and hands-on experiments that demonstrate the content in a very memorable way. Beyond the online content, we know you want a personal experience too, so we've added live, interactive, instructor-led webinars. In these webinars, you'll taste wine and ask questions while an instructor, just like me, reviews key points. We know that many students enroll in wine courses to be part of the wine community. That's half the fun, right? So to that end, we've built a discussion forum into our portal so you can interact with your instructor, your classmates 24/7 to share your experiences, ask questions, and connect with other wine enthusiasts just like you. To be successful in this course, plan on investing a minimum of about 28 hours total study time for the entire course. WSET Level 2 concludes with a closed book exam consisting of 50 multiple choice questions to be completed in 60 minutes. The exam is administered completely online on your own computer in the comfort of your own home. As I said in the beginning, I'm one of the instructors for WSET Level 2, and I'm excited to work with you. I've been in the wine industry for over 3 decades, and I'm proud to be a part of the Napa Valley Wine Academy team. You can register for WSET Level 2 through our website at napavalleywineacademy.com. And if you have any questions, we have a dedicated student success team that's standing by on our website chat feature or by email or phone. I hope to see you in a class soon so we can help you continue your wine journey.